What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog, guys. Today we're actually here in my garage. I know it's been a while, but I got really sick at the beginning of the year and had a ton of work right before the end of the year. So yeah, I just been out of it right now. I just want to give you a little quick update on this truck, which is my turbo truck. For y'all that don't know, I actually messed up the rear end on this truck. My drive shaft actually came off. I actually chipped the gears. So I got all that ordered, all brand new parts. Big shout out to my boy Darwin and Ricky that actually helped me out. But the drive shaft actually damaged where one of the seals actually go. Because it damaged where the seal goes, now I'm having the issue where it's actually leaking. I tried everything. I tried to beat it back out just so it would stop the leak, and I also put some caulking. It still has a little drip, so I'm gonna have to change out the whole thing just because that part is on the actual case of the rear end. So I'm gonna have to get a whole new complete rear end. But big shout out to my boy Danny. He actually had one and he went ahead and hooked it up. So I'm gonna be installing this one on it, but obviously with all my brand new parts, because I don't know what gears that this one comes with, and this being a 4x4, it has to have the same gears. I cannot mismatch gears because I have gears in the front and gears in the rear. So I'm gonna put all the brand new parts in this one, that way I don't have any leaks or anything like that, because I don't like having leaks and I don't like having lights on my dash. So we're gonna get that taken care of, but not right now, guys. I am able to drive the truck. Like I said, it's just leaking a little bit, but it's still leaking. So I don't want to take it apart right now, just because I want to enjoy driving my truck, especially with this boost weather that we have right now. I'll just check the fluids every now and then and just make sure we don't run out of fluid. So that's the story with the truck right now. It is here, everything's good to go. Also, big shout out to my wife, guys. She got me this custom powder coated turbo guard. She obviously got it in my favorite colors, which is red and black. This part's red, and then the little mesh guard is actually black, so that's pretty cool. That's keep anything from going inside my turbo, possibly damaging the turbo and damaging the engine. So yeah, big shout out to my wife. Also, she hooked me up with this awesome toolbox from Milwaukee. She knows I love Milwaukee. This is the biggest toolbox Milwaukee makes. She just felt like I needed something better than that one, which she also got me that one a while back. She got me this one, but she knew I needed to upgrade, and yeah, so we got this nice toolbox. Still got to fill it up. I got a ton of room in here and everything like that. So yeah, it's taking me a while, but we're gonna fill it up eventually, make it all nice. But I'm actually on my way to Xclusive because Mr. Agustin actually has something for me. We're gonna hop in the turbo truck and head over to Xclusive Collision. So let's go. La verga, Johnny. You riding the ground or what?
Sí, I have to give one last document.
¿Qué onda, Mike?
¿Qué ha habido, bro? What's poppin', man? Sabore?
So, my boy. Hey, está con madre aquí, Mike. ¿Cómo arregló aquí?
Güey, ¿a poco? ¿Ya habías venido varias veces? Nunca, es que se va por atrás.
Sí, nunca he mirado aquí enfrente.
¿No?
No, es que estás para los ricos. Yo soy pobre, so ya me voy a arreglar.
No, pues deja salirme entonces. Vamos a darte un producto que está súper chingón. Quiero que lo uses en tu troca para conservar la pintura 100% bien brillosa y bien chingona, porque esto te da una garantía. Si yo te pinto tu camioneta aquí y aplicas estos productos, tienes una garantía de por vida. Si se te empieza a caer la pintura, vienes para acá y Xclusive te la pinta gratis otra vez. Nice.
Son estos nuevos productos de ustedes.
Ese nuevo producto.
Check it out, guys.
Jabón. Ahorita que te lo traiga el jabón. Hay un jabón que también tiene wax. Ese lo lavas. Ajá. El wax lo usas una vez por mes si quieres. Pero el jabón casi te da el brillo que quieres. Que queda excelente el trabajo.
El jabón lo puedes usar cuando lave la troca. Nomás de vez en cuando.
Ese lo haces cuando un día que lo quieres llevar a un evento. Ajá. O le echas el graffiti. Pero aquí no. Ya se lavaron graffiti. We're sold out on graffiti. Sold out, man. Está vendiendo bastante. Pero mira, te remueve los water spot de los vídeos. ¿Ves que se te hace un chingo de water spot en los vídeos?
Sí.
Se marcan. Este es bien bueno. Te vamos a dar uno de estos, porque este es bien común. Y tu jabón. Para que
Qué
Traigas la
chingón.
pinche troca bien mamalona. Es más, cuando corre, güey, se resbalan todos los güeyes que estaban corriendo.
Este es el que siempre necesito porque siempre me deja water spots.
Pero si están muy penetrados en el vidrio,
Ajá.
usa la microfiber de 00.
¿O hay diferentes?
Es una, sí, hay una fibra que es de cero. Usa la de cero, la más finita. Le echas a la esponja, agua y 0 water spots.
La neta, yo no sabía que había diferentes microfiber.
O sea, hay del 0, el 1, el 2 y ahí se va para arriba.
Yo no más agarrado la que sea.
No, aquí no tenemos, pero...
That's why he's cracking his whole truck.
No.
Paints you,
Y no es para la pintura, es para los vidrios, ¿eh?
No, yo estoy muy güey para eso, yo no más agarro la que sea y eso, órale.
Es que hay que preguntar por eso, porque no se nos pase, porque
sí.
yo...
Ok.
Ese es solamente para los vidrios. Y esta la vamos a usar con una toallita para la pintura, pero una toalla, no es con la fibra, güey, porque entonces sí se chinga.
¿Y dónde se puede conseguir esto, Mike, para la gente que quiera?
Ahí está en el website, xclusive.com, ahí lo tenemos. Ahí puedes ordenar todo esto, pues las playeritas, la gorra, ya sabes, pero...
Aquí será.
no sé, se vendió rápido el graffiti.
Check it out, guys. I'll make sure y'all hit him up. Like I said, we're gonna go try this on the truck.
Carlos Quinto, voy a mandar a Carlos Quinto a traerte un jabón
Ajá.
para que tengas el jabón. Y también, este está bien chingón, mi güey. Tú que tienes rines cromados, que tienes rines polish, esta es una chingonada, güey. Te lo digo en serio, hemos hecho pruebas en varios bien jodidos, Alex.
Sí.
Y es tan fácil que lo puedes hacer a mano, pero si está bien jodido, con la maquinita. Pero te lo
With the
dejo.
drill, venden las esponjitas.
Ajá.
Te lo deja bien
Como
chingón.
esta. So le puedes meter con el drill. and then
Oh, sí, te lo deja bien chingón. Hazme un favor, tráeme un jabón, ¿no? Para Uri. Es lo único que nos hace falta.
No, gracias por esto, Mike.
Vamos a dar un pinche paquetazo ahí para que vean. Fíjate que
metal polish.
estos productos me sorprendieron cuando me hicieron las pruebas. En el wax le aplicamos un poquito que es como tipo ceramic. Le dije, ¿sabes qué? Échale algo más para que brille más la pintura. Y estuvieron trabajando un poquito, 6 meses para poderlo sacar.
No, sí.
Tardaron.
La neta, Mike, ¿quién te va a decir mejor cómo cuidar la pintura que un pintor?
Exacto, entonces yo por eso lo saqué, porque yo dije, vamos a hacer las pruebas. Antes de sacar al mercado el producto, yo necesito probarlo, que en realidad para no venderte algo que es cualquiera te lo puede vender. O sea, tenía que hacer las pruebas especiales para que esto funcionara. Antes de sacarlo al mercado hicimos bastantes pruebas, entonces ya se hicieron y entonces ya decidimos, ahora sí ya sale al mercado, para que el que no le sirva o el que diga que esto no sirve, yo le reembolso su dinero inmediatamente. ¿Sabes qué? Dame el producto, este producto no sirve y tu dinero está garantizado de regreso.
Money back guaranteed.
Porque eso es lo que tratamos, no darte algo.
Sí, si no estás contento con tu producto.
Si yo no estoy contento, yo ahorita esto lo estamos aplicando en todas las pinturas. Después de que se pinta aquí, se pone el wax y ya se va waxeado. Así de fácil.
Está con madre, Mike.
Y también tenemos una ceramic bien chingona, se llama 16X. Cuando vamos a Cima siempre vamos a ver algo para traer, para darles el mejor servicio. Pero antes de venderla, nosotros hicimos pruebas también y la tuvo en el booth de 16X y estuvo la troca de Gas Monkey Garage. Ahí la enseñaron y lo más chingón que esa madre, la escaneas y se va al Carfax. Que dice ahí en el Carfax, This Protection Ceramic Coating. Está con madre, te digo.
Para ayudar el valor, ¿no?
Sí, sube el valor, aparte, sí, realmente si tienes un accidente te das cuenta que sí tienes ceramic. Cuando tú le haces el reporte, el escáner, te dice que tiene ceramic coating. Porque muchos dicen que tiene, pero no tiene. O sea, te venden, pero no es ceramic o no le echaron el ceramic. Entonces aquí estamos tratando de que realmente sea lo real que te están vendiendo, no nomás decirte te vendo ceramic y no es ceramic.
Sí, ahora sí tienes pruebas.
Sí, buscando con pruebas, o sea, por eso llegamos a esa calidad de darte tu brochure donde tú escaneas. Mira, de hecho tiene todas las protecciones. Este es el ceramic que le echamos, este es el Pro, que es de 6 años, este es de 9, este es de 6 y este es para la garantía del leather, plásticos, vidrios, textura, o sea, para los asientos de tela.
Ajá.
También hay un spray, te digo, tiene todo y lo más importante es que en esto lo escaneas aquí, Carfax. Entonces este producto ya te está garantizando que tu carro en el Carfax tiene ceramic coating. Nosotros lo hacemos aquí y tenemos el producto. Tienes que estar certificado para hacer esto. Creo yo que somos los segundos en toda esta área de Texas. Porque no hay en Dallas. Te protegemos 9 años de garantía sin problemas. Eso es lo más chingón.
There you go, guys. If you don't know, now you know.
And if you don't know, now you know.
Make sure when you take your stuff, they don't just tell you, oh, hey, it got this and that. Let them show you. If it has it, you should be able to scan it on a QR code and it'll show you everything that they did.
Si todo te sale ahí, cuando una vez que escaneas tu producto, nosotros te lo ponemos, te aplicamos el producto y le ponemos todos tus datos, inmediatamente te manda un texto y aquí en el app del teléfono te dice tu carro ya tiene ceramic coating.
Chino, tecnología.
La tecnología, y eso es lo más chingón. Si no te actualizas, no vas a saber qué es lo que viene nuevo. Tratamos de traer la mejor protección para cada uno de nuestros clientes.
La neta, mamá, yo miré un video cuando hizo con el wax y quedó con madre,
Sí,
estaba brillando.
Y después de que lo apliques, digo, quiero que hagas la prueba y tócalo, vas a ver qué finalidad te deja en la pintura, o sea, algo así que le echas el agua y el agua se desparrama. Está muy bueno. No es porque nosotros lo hayamos sacado, pero como les digo, hicimos las pruebas especiales para llegar a ese punto que nosotros queremos que llegue.
No, hombre, está con madre, Mike. Muchas gracias por el producto. Y ahí vamos a estar representando. Mr. Agustín me ha ayudado bastante. He has helped me a lot with this truck and even my Corvette, guys. So big shout out to Mr. Agustín. Happy that he's doing his product.
Y ahí estamos para cualquier cosa que se les ofrezca. Bueno, aquí nos podemos ayudar en cualquier accidente o un custom paint.
Ya está, Mike. ¿Qué es la website, Mike?
Aquí el website, aquí es XclusiveCollisionC.com. Ahí pueden entrar al website si tienen un accidente o si quieren comprar algún producto. Ahí tenemos todo. Está literalmente facilísimo. Una vez que se meten a XclusiveC.com, te lleva a la página de que si quieres un code o algo, inmediatamente pones tu información y nosotros la recibimos e inmediatamente te respondemos.
¿La dirección, Mike?
514 Mill Avenue en Conroe, Texas. Aquí estamos para cualquier cosa que se les ofrezca.
Ya está, Mike. Muchas gracias.
Ahí estamos. Ya saben.
So there you go, guys. Pretty much, if you want any of these products, y'all can definitely check them out.
At our store, we have a few left. We're getting a big order next week, so I think by the time you release your video, we should have more in stock.
Why? Because I take forever to release my video? No, listen, man, Alex is like one of my best friends, guys. If y'all didn't know, for everybody that's asking, how did I meet Freddie? It's through this guy.
Yeah.
And this is one of my best friends, honestly, guys. And yeah, me and Alex been here for a long time.
Yeah,
man.
since I think I would say 2019.
Yeah, 2019. Yeah, the way I met him is I needed I needed my alignment on my vet, and they were like, yeah, there's this little kid that he thinks he's cool with his vet, and he has an alignment shop.
Hey, I didn't know. You surprised me with your Corvette. I thought I had a badass fucking Corvette, but shit, yours was fucking fast. Remember you smoked Freddie? And I was like, nah, there's no way. It's 700. You're like, nah, that's to the crank, bro. What you mean? Like, nah, that was a badass run.
That was the good old times too, man.
Yeah, Freddie was barely having the shop, remember?
No, he didn't have the shop yet. Me and you were in the truck, and we were cruising, and we saw the lease sign.
Oh, and then you called. We called.
Yeah. So that was before.
You were in the car too.
Yeah, we were in the truck. We were going somewhere.
Yeah.
And it was just me, you, and Freddie. And
good time.
That was a long time ago, bro.
Yeah, I was back. I'm telling you, like maybe 2020, COVID time.
Yeah, that was definitely COVID time.
Yeah, shit. Hey, you think your truck would have taken on your Corvette?
I don't know, bro. I want to race it so bad.
Oh, you know the guy that still has it or no?
Yeah. I know the guy. He works with me. I work with him.
Oh, we better race.
I know. I need to put that on the video. We'll definitely line it up with him. That'd be a cool race.
Hey, you know what? Actually, my dad is right. That polish is gonna work good on your welds, bro.
Yeah, cause right now they're a little dirty and they're stained, bro. Like
and the water spots mainly. Well, they're not that bad, bro. I've seen worse.
Yeah, well, I mean, I keep it inside. It's garage kept, pero como quiera,
like
you know.
All these water spots that you see right here, with that polish.
You gonna take care of it?
Oh yeah, you'll see it.
Yeah.
Make a video on that shit. Watch.
Yeah, no, I'm definitely gonna make a video, man. I appreciate y'all.
That metal polish to me is my favorite one. Other than, I mean, the wax, I love the wax, but the metal polish.
Yeah, no. I mean, this paint does need to get brought back, and I think that'll definitely bring it back on with the wax and all that. Yeah, so I'm definitely super excited, guys, to get all that stuff, because y'all can't tell on camera too much, but it does have his imperfections. But yeah, thanks to Mr. Agustin and Alex here at Xclusive, get me taken care of and get this thing looking all nice again.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna see what else we got, and then like I said, we're gonna make a video of everything once I wash this truck with all the products, show y'all what it's gonna look. Makes it easier for you to come get your product. If you're here locally or in Houston, you can come to the store and pick up your product. Or if you want to get it delivered, you're out of town.
We have a full package that we can do all 5 products for a lot less than you get them individually.
Oh, okay,
so it's
cool.
a good, that way, and a free hat. So you get a free hat.
There you go, guys. So they do have package deals. So make sure y'all check out the website and make sure y'all hit up Xclusive, and also give them a follow on their YouTube channel and on their social media pages. Right, Alex?
Yes, sir. Please. Appreciate it.
So we just left Xclusive. Big shout out to Mr. Agustin and my boy Alex. Definitely didn't have to do that. But right now we're gonna go on the way back. But I haven't done a pull on this truck in a little while, so you know, I just want to make sure everything's good to go. Shaft just because of the, I guess, you know, the little leak I got, but it's no big deal. Like I said, we're gonna change it and we won't hear any more noise. Man, guys, I miss driving this truck. I'm just glad that I get to drive it again. But right now, guys, I just want to enjoy my truck. Like I said, it's pretty loud. I hope y'all can hear me, but man, it's a fun truck for sure. Man, this truck was running really, really good. But it was like super cold. I just like to cruise my truck, guys. I just like to, sometimes it's the best way to clear your head. You know, when you got a bunch of stuff going on at work and stuff like that, it's nice just to be able just to, you know, hop in your car and just go for a little drive. You see how it launches on a 2-step. Go ahead and head back to the house. So I'll see y'all here in a little bit. Alright guys, we made it home. Still got my monster here. There's the products that we got. We got some metal polish. We got some water spot removal. We got body wax and wash and wax. Big shout out to Mr. Agustin and Alex. I very much appreciate it. We definitely will be using all of these products on my trucks, starting with this one. I can't wait to use them, especially on my wheels. Can't wait to try that metal polish. So yeah guys, we got the truck back in here. As y'all can see, it is running and it's running really good. Like I said, it has a little whine, obviously, because I am leaking a little fluid. So it's no big deal, guys. We're gonna get that taken care of. This truck will be 100 once again. It's just little things that happen. Obviously, when you make a little bit more power than stock, things are gonna break, things are gonna go out. So just gotta keep on rolling with the punches and keep on moving forward. So, and like I said, I do want to hit up some shows. I want to go to Hollyfest. Hopefully I can be able to make it in Dallas. I think that'll be pretty cool. That's gonna be it for now. Thank you once again to Mr. Agustin, my boy Alex, for the products. I can't wait to use them. I'm super excited. Y'all make sure y'all check them out, guys. Check out their website, give them a follow on their social media platforms, and definitely subscribe to their YouTube channel. But like I said, that's gonna be it for now, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.